Why did you pick this session? Was it because you heard about it? It was convenient, the timing, the location? That's what market research is all about. And that is the first question that I ask my students in the first session. How do we get access to financial information for free? We will learn how to get access to the best information that the most sophisticated investors have for free. We will learn how to become a shareholder, whether it has any cost, how to have access to the best financial instruments for free. And then if you do become a shareholder, or if you are making an investment, how do you ask questions that make sense and will help you make a difference? I look forward to having you in class. This is how we're going to learn. First, the idea of why did you pick this session? Then, if you pick NYU, why did you pick NYU? And then the idea of how to find financial information. First, why this is important, the fact that it enhances your credibility, and how to search for that information, how to go to a company website and be able to find that information and download it. Do you have a bank account and do you use it to get cash? Do they charge you a fee? I'll show you a way to get bank accounts with no maintenance requirements that will give you a full refund for any fees that you're charged. And also access to the best research. We look into how to get that information, which is open to anyone from anywhere in the world, and then how to use that information. Then we will look into the concept of becoming a shareholder. At one point, it was cheaper to become a shareholder, an owner of Disney, than to buy an admission ticket to Disney. Have you heard about Warren Buffett? Well, his return investment, or the amount of money that he has been making to shareholders, has been about 20% per year for the last 50 years. At his shareholder meetings, about 40,000 shareholders or owners attend, and they send questions. And we learned in class how to ask questions that will get picked, since only 30 or so are actually picked. I'll show you my own personal example, and then the difference that one of the questions made, how it was covered in the Wall Street Journal and the Financial Times. And we will end this session by learning not only about how to get financial information, but how to find information about complex issues in a way that is easy for anyone to understand and that is free to get access to it. I'll see you in class.